gonna show you how to add thumbnails to your YouTube videos using your cell phone or iPhones, whatever type of phones you have. First, what you wanna do is go to YT Studio, and then you go up here, make sure you go to your videos, and you just pick which video you wanna change your thumbnails. Say for instance, this first one here on top. Just click on it. Then you go here to the top left where you see that little pencil, and you click on it. And that's your edit. So you click right here in the middle where it says edit thumbnail. And you can just go through and change however you want. So you can just click on it or whichever thumbnails you want. And once you're done, you hit select. And that's it, and hit save. And now you have successfully changed your thumbnail here on your YouTube videos. And that's all to it. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.